This is Algebra Lesson 6.5, Applications of Linear Systems. So, this lesson actually doesn't have any new mathematics over the previous sections. It's just going to have situations in context. We're going to use the math we've already done to solve some word problems. So, the first example says, to deliver mulch, Lawn and Garden charges $30 per cubic yard of mulch plus a $30 delivery fee. Yard Depot charges $25 per cubic yard of mulch plus a $55 delivery fee. Write and solve a system of equations to model the situation. So both of these, I can tell, are looking for y equals mx plus b, because it's giving me a rate of change and a standard constant amount. Another rate of change and another constant amount. So that means this is going to be my rate of change and my starting amount, my rate of change and my starting amount. So for the first guy, lawn and garden, we have y equals 30x plus 30. And for Yard Depot, we have y equals 25x plus 55. For how many cubic yards will the cost be the same? We're going to set these up side by side using our substitution method to solve them. So I have 30x plus 30 equals 25x plus 55. We're going to bring our constants together. Let's go minus 30 and minus 30. And I'm going to try to go fast on this one. I'm going to do my second step right away. Minus 25x and minus 25x. We're going to bring all of our x's to the right, all of our constants to the left. And 30x minus 25x gives me 5x. 30's are gone. 25x minus 25x, gone. 55 minus 30 is 25. Now I can divide both sides by 5, and that tells me x is 5. So if I were to order 5 cubic yards of mulch, both companies would charge me the exact same rate. What would that rate be? That's a great question. Let's substitute the 5 back in. You can go into Lawn and Garden's equation, you can go into Yard Depot's equation, or you could be extra like me and go into both to make sure our answer is correct. So 30 times 5 is 150. 150 plus 30 would be $180. Let's check Yard Depot. 25 times 5 plus 55. 25 times 5 is 125. 125 plus 55 is 180. So we have 5 cubic yards. I think I want to write that. Let's be proper. 5 cubic yards. Let's do that. Cubic yards. 5 cubic yards costs $180. Letter B. The sum of two numbers is 53. The difference is 11. Find the numbers. So hopefully remember our words. We talked about these way back in chapter 1. But sum means add, and difference means subtract. So if I add two numbers, whatever those numbers might be, they will add up to 53. If I subtract two numbers, whatever those numbers might be, the answer will be 11. So now I have an equation set up in standard form. I have a match on my x's because they're both 1s. I also have a match on my y's because they're both 1s. And my x match is opposite, so I could add. My y match is same, so I could subtract. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, the answer will come out to be the same. So I'm going to go with plus, because I think plus is easier than minus. X plus x is 2x, and the y's are gone. Positive y and negative y is 0. 53 plus 11 is 64. So if I divide by 2, I have x equals 32. So I know something plus 32 is 53. I know 32 minus something is 11. I can substitute 32 into either of those equations, the first one or the second one, and then solve. If I minus 32 from each side, I will get my answer for y. Y equals 21. Let's put that over here so that we can box our answers together. So we did an equation with substitution. We did an equation with elimination. That is it for the notes on this lesson. Good luck on the exercises, and let me know if you have any questions.